Quick, put it down before my Don't cry, what's the hell?
Okay, I'm going to take it away because they scared of mother birds away.